Introducing the Provider Dashboard, a one-stop shop for all your Steno jobs. Upload and download job-related files, reference past and future jobs, and access Steno's job marketplace. You'll receive an email invite with a link to access the dashboard. On the homepage, you can easily access all your jobs. They're grouped into 3 tabs: Files Needed, Upcoming Jobs, and Completed Jobs. Clicking on a job in Files Needed will take you to the Details page, where you can view key job information and submit any files that might be needed, such as transcripts, exhibits, invoices, worksheets, etc. To submit a file, open the corresponding task, then upload the file. You can also add a note for the Steno team with the Add a Note button. Overdue tasks with no uploaded files will have a red overdue on them to call your attention. After submitting, you will be able to download and open the file by clicking the file name. For you to get paid on time, all tasks have to be marked complete, so make sure to submit your files to the correct corresponding tasks. Once a file is submitted and the task is moved to complete, you will not be able to submit more files to the same task. If you need to submit a file after the task has been completed, click the Send Other Files to Steno link, upload the files, categorize them. Please make sure to note as to why the file is being resubmitted. Then click Submit. If you have no files to submit for a specific task, click Submit Without Files so the task will not show as overdue. Please make sure to add detailed notes, if any, to each specific task. Any additional info is greatly appreciated. The Steno team can add tasks back to your job page if files were submitted incorrectly. The job will move back to the Files Needed tab. Please resubmit the files with a note if necessary. The Steno team can also leave notes on tasks to add more context. You can also check the Files from Steno section to see if the Steno team left you any courtesy audio or exhibit files. If you come across any discrepancies with exhibits, for example, incorrectly labeled exhibits, missing exhibits, etc., please indicate on the Exhibit Note task when you submit. You can also access Steno's job marketplace directly from the dashboard. We're constantly innovating to make your job easier.